Hello everyone, welcome back to the series French for Beginners. Today is lesson 20, Possessive Adjectives. Let's get started. For possessive adjectives, it is subdivided into masculine, feminine, and plural. For example, je, the possessive adjectives for masculine is mon. Feminine would be ma. Plural would be mes. For tu, masculine would be ton. Feminine would be ta. Plural would be te. Il, masculine would be son. Feminine would be sa. Plural would be se, which is the same as elle. Son, sa, and se. Now let's continue. For nous, the possessive adjectives for masculine would be notre. Feminine would be not. Plural would be no. Vous, there would be votre for masculine, votre for feminine, and vos for plural. Il, there would be leur, and also leur for masculine and feminine, and leur for plural. Elle is similar. Leur for masculine and feminine, and leur for plural. Let's take a look at some example sentences. For example, qui est? C'est mon père. Who is it? It's my father. C'est ta chaise. It is your chair. Ce sont mes parents. They are my parents. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.